Uncover how to speak to the universe to change your reality and manifest anything you desire. The universe mirrors our mind. Imagine your life as a stage where everything vies for your spotlight. Stars circle the sun, just as events, thoughts, and feelings orbit around you. The power lies in what you focus on. Ignore something and it fades from your world. We often wander through life without realizing this. What happens around you doesn't have to shape your world unless you let it. It might seem strange, but it's true. Thoughts and feelings knock on your door, seeking your attention. You're the one who decides to invite them in or to turn them away. Your choices shape your reality. Think of it like tuning into a radio station. Focus on the good vibes, and the universe listens. The law of attraction says thoughts shape reality, but thoughts alone are just empty echoes. They come alive when you pay attention to them. Choose wisely which ones to nurture and which ones to let pass. To really connect with the universe, start by being mindful of where your attention goes. Your journey begins with noticing what you notice. Simple yet powerful, this is your first step in a conversation with the cosmos. From the moment we're born, the universe asks, "What do you wish for?" To answer, we must speak its language, energy. The universe doesn't understand words. It feels our vibes. Every emotion we send out is like saying, "Yes, more of this, please." It's about choosing what to amplify in our life symphony. Think of yourself as a conductor. Your attention is your baton. Where you point it, energy flows, growing louder and more vibrant. Focus on joy, love, or success, and you're telling the universe, "This is what I want more of." It's like voting for the experiences you want to repeat. On the flip side, when you ignore certain thoughts or situations, you're sending a clear signal. This isn't for me. You're not just a passive observer. You're actively shaping your life's melody. Realizing this power transforms how we see our role in the world. We're not just living life. We're co-creating it with the universe. Every thought, every feeling is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of our experience. Our focus is our way of chatting with the universe, shaping the music of our lives. Now, let's dive into the second key, talking and thinking in the present. The universe is all about now. It doesn't get past or future. It tunes into the present. Imagine past and future thoughts as distant echoes, but the present is a clear, strong voice. When we see the universe as a living, we realize our thoughts and feelings are our way of talking to it. But here's the twist. The universe hears things a bit differently. Say, "I will be successful," and it hears, "I'm not successful now." Instead, feel like you've already made it. Every dream, every goal, it's all out there, ready and waiting. Live like you're already there and watch how the universe starts moving things around for you. Feeling like you've got what you want is like tuning into the universe's wavelength. Every possible future is out there in this giant cosmic tapestry, including the one you're dreaming of. By feeling it in the now, you're dialing into the universe's creative channel. Next, think about expanding your mind. It's like leveling up in a complex game where the rules aren't always clear. Life's not a straight line. It's a game with many layers. Your skill level depends on how much you understand its depth. Imagine playing poker with pros. If you're new, you might miss their clever moves. But as you learn, as your awareness of the game grows, you get better at playing. That's how it is with life and the universe. The more you understand, the smoother you'll navigate life's twists and turns. Expanding your consciousness is about seeing more, knowing more. It's tuning into yourself, your thoughts, and the world around you. In this game of life, the more you know, the better you play. You go from just being in the game to making moves that shape it. By embracing this wider view, you're not just going with the flow. You're steering the boat, choosing paths that lead you where you want to go. Step 4 in our cosmic chat is tuning into your inner GPS, your very own guide in this endless energy universe. Remember, the universe doesn't get our words, it speaks energy. Often, what we think or say doesn't really match what's going on inside us. That's where your feelings, your gut instincts come in. They're your real deal navigators. When something feels right, it's like your soul saying, "Yep, this is the way." But if it feels off, it's a sign you're straying from your true self. This whole journey is about vibes and resonance. Stick with what feels good. Steer clear of what doesn't. Don't give power to the stuff that brings you down. Be careful though. Sometimes our ego tries to trick us, whispering that its way leads to happiness. It's crucial to tell the difference between what your ego wants and what truly resonates with your core. Feels good? Trust it. Feels wrong? Let it go. By following this breadcrumb trail of good vibes, you naturally align with your true path. No need to overthink it. To really get the universe, think about your subconscious mind. It's like a mirror to how the universe works. The law of attraction taps into this part of you, not the everyday thoughts that jump around in your head. Your subconscious is like an open book, taking in everything without judgment. It can't tell the difference between real and make-believe, often making past memories feel like they're happening now. Staying in the now is key. Dwelling on past hurts can bring more of the same into your life. Your subconscious is like a library, storing everything you've learned and experienced, but it doesn't sort the good from the bad. That's your job. Here's where repetition comes in. To change your beliefs, you need to feed your subconscious new, positive messages. Say you want to feel more confident. Keep telling yourself, "I am confident," and really feel it. It's not about where you are now, but where you want to be. Keep up these positive affirmations, and they start to take root. Your subconscious picks up on the change and begins to make it real. You'll start to act and feel more confident. Remember, talking to the universe is like talking to a deeper part of yourself. You're in the driver's seat. Look inside, clean out the clutter, and fill your mind with good stuff. The universe reflects what's going on inside you. Your life is like a blank canvas, and you're the artist. Paint it with your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. The universe is listening. I hope these steps help you in your spiritual and manifestation journey. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments down below. Also, be sure to watch the next video for more tips on how to spiritually awaken and manifest the life of your dreams.